The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) convened a meeting with stakeholders to address challenges in exporting limestone to Bangladesh via the Land Customs Station and Majai village. Deputy CM Pinchngan N.S.M. highlighted local exporters' difficulties due to the lack of a proper mechanism. The council pledged to create guidelines with the Exporters and Miners Association to prevent exploitation and ensure fair opportunities. They have requested exporter and miner records within a week from Hima Sora and the association.
Kumno nginwanra ia karukom penyai kaba ki briu ki jongi ki badai ki local exporter ki nomsha exploit tenrei bagin yo abe ya katri badi ban nacha Bangladesh bara ka jing khot dingi menta kasngi ngina persang ban kolek lut ya ki jing tip barok hoy bat ngina persang ban su thu do ba ki babun ki exporter ki brand kumbal lai saus pa tenrei ki exporter paga ki ba phamar se Bangladesh ki don tam kumbal hojis pa